Welcome to a video by Mr.
In today's video, we are going to be doing something a little bit more exciting than painting the insides of door jambs and the inside of the doors. We are going to be working on the outsides of the doors, which means we're going to be prepping, priming, laying down base coat. I've got 3 different colours. We've got a black, a silver, and then our base white. And then after we've got that down, we're going to be putting our clear down. So let's kick it off right now and get stuck right into it. As you can see, all the doors are completed. All the insides of the doors are completed. So 1, 2, and then the third one, which is there, all painted. And then this is the one that I did last night, which is finished. It's still masked up. Now we're going to start prepping this, getting it nice and straight, and then we'll lay down some primer, and then we'll probably lay down some paint, and hopefully it's going to turn out pretty good. So we're going to be prepping this door with some 240 on a block. But before I start sanding anything, I'm going to go and grab my knife, and I'm going to remove all of this glue. And then once that's removed, I'm going to start sanding up this panel, and then we're going to find any little dents and scratches, and then we're going to fix them with some body filler, and then we're going to get some primer on it, and then we're going to sand down the primer and then lay our base coat down. Sanded the whole panel down with 240. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a bit of wax and grease remover. I'm going to remove all the dust and stuff off here. Since I've sanded this, you can now see where the dents are. So there's one right here, small dent there, another one here, here and here, which is the main damage on this door. You can put a guide coat down to find these, but I just found with this already being cleared, once I sand it, it's going to leave a nice little clear spot everywhere there's a dent. Now we're going to mix up a bit of this body filler. It's ultra light, very easy sanding. I'm going to mix a bit of this stuff up and get the applicator out and apply it to the door and let it dry and give it a sand. Before applying any sort of body filler, make sure you wax and grease down all your panels. You don't want dust and stuff, otherwise it won't stick properly to the panel. So I'm just going to wipe all of this down with some wax and grease. Always better to be clean. Let's mix up some body filler and get it on the panel. Our body filler down. I'm not the cleanest with it. I try my best, try and keep it nice and small, and try and put it on nice and smooth. Look, I'm not a panel beater. I'm sure panel beaters can do a better job than me, but it's on there pretty smooth. And the way I like to do things, I use this metal applicator. It's very thin, and you can clean it up with a razor blade and reuse it. I find the plastic ones, once the chemicals get in there, they're just useless. You just chuck them out because they become really floppy. They don't leave a nice flat edge, so you may as well just throw them out. So best off, if you're doing this sort of thing, go and get yourself one of these metal ones. You can buy them online. I'll probably put a link in the description down below. But get yourself some of these. You can buy a pack of 5, I think 15 bucks. Reuse them over and over and over. I'll let this dry and then we'll come back and sand it with the block, make it nice and straight. As you can tell, I've sanded down all the body filler. It's all nice and straight. Now I'm going to wax and grease the whole lot. I'm probably going to mask up all the underside because it's all fresh paint and I don't want paint on it. Then we're going to lay down some primer. And then once we've got our primer down, we're going to 400 the panel so our base coat lays on nice and flat. Let's do it. Masked up all the back of it where it's all been painted because I don't want any overspray on the fresh paint. So I've masked all of that up, ready to go. So now we'll flip it over and we'll lay our primer down. Just laid some primer down, waiting for this to dry, and then we're going to hit it with the 400, sand it down, get it all nice and ready for base coat. So we'll let this dry for a little bit. Still, you can see it's all patchy. Let it dry up and then she'll be ready for sanding. Laid down the base coat, so basically what I'm doing now is I'm just walking around making sure I've got good coverage, because once I lay down the clear there's no coming back, it'll be redo the whole thing. So grab my little torch here, walk around with my light, making sure it's got good coverage, and then I know where to apply a little bit extra, but at the moment it's looking pretty good. I think I might add a little bit more along this top here. You can't really see it in the video, but there is a little bit of primer showing through. So I'll lay down one more coat after this one dries, and then we should be in business to put the black down. Here it is, all unmasked. We got our black, our white and our silver. So now we're going to mix up some clear, lay it down, and hopefully it turns out really good. First coat's down, it's been flashing on for about 10 minutes now, so now I'm going to lay down the second coat. Been a few hours since I painted this, and I'll tell you what, turned out pretty good. Pretty happy with the outcome of this. There is a bit of stuff in the paint to be expected in the shed, but once this is all dry I'll give it a bit of a buff and get rid of all the crap in it. But yeah, it's turned out pretty good. Not too bad at all. Well guys, that's basically going to wrap this video up. You've seen me prep the door, you've seen me prime the door, paint it. I had 3 different colours, and then we laid down our clear on top, and it actually turned out really good. I'm pretty happy with it. To be expected, there is a little bit of stuff in the clear coat, which is not going to be any drama. Once it's all dry, I'll give it a little wet sand and we can buff that out. That's not going to be any issue at all. If you want to see any more of the doors getting painted, leave a comment down below. If not, we'll move on to something else. I'll get the rest of the doors painted off camera, and I will show you in the next episode what they look like. Don't know if you've noticed yet, but yeah, I do have a new camera and it actually is pretty good. Hopefully the quality of my videos will be a lot better as we progress through this build. But anyway, until next time, I'll catch you on the next one.
What are you saying?
Drowned you out.
A veal, brother, mate. That one.
How many beers have you had?
None.
A couple of beers?
Sober.
Sober as a judge, this fella.
Veal, brother. Hey, wouldn't you
You've
think,
had too many beers,
wouldn't
mate.
you like that veal to go like this one, mate?
It's definitely not a veal, mate.